잘 지냈어요 모두 보고 싶었어 이도 Going은 언제나 너에게 going.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we are gonna be making a 3D model of the bacteria cell. Pencil and cutter, stick glue and glue, paint and paintbrush, rope, stickers, and styrofoam. First, I started to outline an oblong shape on the styrofoam, which will be the shape of the bacteria cell. After finalizing the shape, I started to cut out using a cutter, following the outline I draw, cutting the edges to make it look better and cleaner. After making the body of the 3D model, I started painting with color red. These will represent the cell wall of the bacteria cell. Then, I painted the inner part with color orange, which will represent the cytoplasmic membrane of the cell. After orange is the color yellow, that represents the cytoplasm of the cell. I painted with color yellow all the left spaces in the middle. After painting all the spaces in the front part, I started to paint the sides of the model with color blue. This color will represent the capsule of the bacteria cell. When the paint is finally dry, I started to glue some parts of the cell, starting with the nucleoid, in a form of a thin blue rope. I used a stick glue and candle to glue the rope on the styrofoam, since I don't have any glue gun. Next, I press the yellow stickers on the styrofoam, which represents the ribosomes. Then, I started to attach the sticks into the styrofoam. These sticks represents the pili of the cell. Lastly, I attached the flagellum that is made of wire covered with brown yarn. Capsule. This blue-colored part in here is the capsule, which is the third layer of the cell that is only present in some types of bacteria. It helps prevent the bacteria from drying out or being engulfed by larger microorganisms. Cell wall. This red-colored part is the cell wall. It is a rigid wall that gives the cell its structure and protects the plasma membrane. It also helps to anchor appendages like the pili and flagella, which originate in the cytoplasm membrane and protrude through the wall to the outside. Cytoplasmic membrane. The orange-colored part is the cytoplasmic membrane. It is a thin layer of phospholipids and proteins that controls the movement of the nutrients in and out of the cell. Cytoplasm. This yellow-colored area is the cytoplasm or protoplasm. It is where the functions for cell growth, metabolism, and replication are carried out. It is like a gel-like matrix composed of water, enzymes, nutrients, waste, and gases, and contains cell structures such as ribosomes, chromosome, and plasmids. Nucleoid. This color blue rope is the nucleoid. It is a region of cytoplasm where the chromosomal DNA is located. Most bacteria have a single, circular chromosome that is responsible for replication, although a few species do have two or more. Ribosomes. These yellow beads are ribosomes. These are microscopic factories found in all cells, including the bacteria. Pili. These sticks are pili. Many species bacteria have pili or in singular pilus. It is a small hair-like projection emerging from the outside cell surface. This assists the bacteria in attaching to other cells and surfaces, such as teeth, intestines, and bugs. Without pili, many disease-causing bacteria lose their ability to infect because they are unable to attach to host tissue. Flagellum. This brown tail-like is the flagella or in singular, flagellum. It is a structure that helps the bacteria move around and sense their environment. It beats in a propeller-like motion to help the bacteria move toward nutrients or away from toxic chemicals.